What if I told you that the secret to looking younger isn't just in your skincare routine, but also in the exercises you do? That's right. Certain exercises can help you maintain a youthful appearance by improving your posture, muscle tone, and even your skin's natural glow. In today's video, we're diving into the best exercises that can keep you looking and feeling young, no matter your age. Stay tuned until the end for a bonus tip that will help you maximize the benefits of these exercises. Let's start by understanding how exercise can actually impact your appearance. Regular physical activity does more than just keep you fit. It can also make you look younger. First, exercise improves circulation. When you get your blood pumping, it delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your skin, giving you that healthy, natural glow. This improved circulation also helps boost collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Next, exercise helps you maintain muscle tone. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, which can lead to a more sagging or less defined appearance. But with regular strength training, you can keep your muscles firm and toned, which not only improves your body's shape, but also supports your skin, keeping it looking tighter and more youthful. And let's not forget about stress. High stress levels can speed up the aging process, leading to wrinkles, dull skin, and even weight gain. Exercise is a natural stress reliever. It reduces cortisol levels and boosts endorphins, helping you stay calm and relaxed. Less stress means better sleep, more energy, and a fresher, younger look overall. So, exercise isn't just about staying fit, it's also a powerful tool for maintaining a youthful appearance. Now let's dive into the specific exercises that can help you achieve this. Now that we know how exercise can keep you looking younger, let's dive into the best exercises that target specific areas to help you maintain a youthful appearance. First up, face yoga. Yes, you can exercise your face too. Face yoga helps strengthen the muscles in your face, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Simple exercises like cheek lifts, forehead smoothing, and jawline exercises can make a noticeable difference over time. Just a few minutes of face yoga each day can help you achieve a more toned and lifted look. Next, resistance training. Building muscle is key to maintaining a toned and youthful physique. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, but resistance training can help counteract this. Exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups target major muscle groups and help you stay strong and firm. By incorporating resistance training into your routine, you'll not only look more youthful, but you'll also improve your overall health and mobility. Pilates and core work. Pilates and core exercises are fantastic for improving posture, which is a key factor in looking youthful. Good posture makes you look more confident and helps prevent the slumping or slouching that can add years to your appearance. Exercises like planks, bridges, and leg raises strengthen your core and help you stand tall and proud. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardio isn't just for heart health, it's also great for your skin. When you engage in cardiovascular exercise like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, you're increasing blood flow and delivering more oxygen to your skin cells. This improved circulation gives you that natural, healthy glow that we often associate with youth. Plus, cardio helps burn fat and keep you lean, which can also contribute to a more youthful appearance. Stretching and flexibility. Flexibility is another important aspect of staying youthful. As we age, our muscles and joints can become stiff, limiting our range of motion and making us feel older than we are. Regular stretching exercises like hamstring stretches, shoulder stretches, and full-body stretches can help keep your muscles flexible and your movements fluid. Stretching also helps reduce tension, which can prevent the appearance of stress-related lines and wrinkles. Yoga for relaxation. Finally, let's talk about yoga. Yoga isn't just about physical flexibility, it's also about mental relaxation. Stress is a major contributor to premature aging, and yoga is one of the best ways to manage it. Poses like downward dog, child's pose, and savasana help reduce stress, improve sleep, and promote overall wellness. When you're relaxed and well-rested, it shows in your appearance. You'll have fewer wrinkles, brighter skin, and a more youthful glow. Each of these exercises targets specific areas that contribute to looking and feeling younger, so whether it's face yoga or strength training, you're setting yourself up for long-term results. Bonus tip. Now that you've got a solid foundation of exercises to keep you looking youthful, here's a bonus tip to maximize those benefits. Combine your exercise routine with a healthy lifestyle. Exercise alone is powerful, but when you pair it with other healthy habits, the results can be even more dramatic. First, let's talk about nutrition. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and lean proteins can support your skin, muscle tone, and overall vitality. Foods like berries, leafy greens, nuts, and fish are excellent choices for promoting a youthful appearance from the inside out. Staying hydrated is equally important. Water helps keep your skin plump, reduces wrinkles, and flushes out toxins. Next, focus on your skincare routine. Regular exercise boosts circulation, but protecting your skin with proper hydration, sunscreen, and nighttime care is essential to maintaining that youthful glow. Incorporating products that contain ingredients like vitamin C and retinol can also help improve skin texture and reduce the signs of aging. And finally, prioritize sleep. We can't emphasize enough how important quality sleep is for looking and feeling young. Your body repairs itself while you sleep, and that includes your skin and muscles. Aim for 9 hours of sleep each night and create a calming bedtime routine to ensure you're getting the most restorative rest possible. When you combine these healthy habits with your exercise routine, you're giving your body everything it needs to look and feel youthful for years to come. Remember, staying youthful isn't just about one thing, it's about taking care of your body from all angles, inside and out. By incorporating these exercises into your routine and pairing them with proper nutrition, skincare, and quality sleep, you're setting yourself up to look and feel your best at any age. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which exercises you're excited to try.